What's going on, guys? It's Clinton. Welcome to the Only Profits Academy. So what we have over here is an account I traded last week with a couple of members from the academy. I got into some of these trades live and I made a withdrawal of over $7,000. And going through my account history, you can see the level of consistency I have been able to attain trading the Forex market. And some of these trades I left with a very little amount of profit. Then again, I scalped the market, but you can see it is consistent. And this very trade over here is where I left the market with over close to 50 pips. So sometimes I leave with a little amount of profit and sometimes I leave with a lot of profit. But overall, you can see this is consistent. So this series of videos are meant to be showing you guys strategies that are born out of my portfolio. I've been trading for over 5 years and these methods have helped me make a lot of money over the past 3 years. Usually here on the channel, I trade 5 to 6 figures accounts. But this time, I want to show traders that even with a decent amount of capital, anything is achievable trading. And as you can see, this is a live account. This is a live account. So what I'm trying to show traders is that anything is possible as long as you have access to the right amount of knowledge. So I'm going to be revealing the universal truth about the market in this series of videos. And if you have the intellectual capacity to figure it out, you will be making money every day. Things I'll be revealing in this series of videos might come across as unorthodox and will probably hurt your feelings, but you don't have to listen to me. With that being said, I'm going to pause the video. Hopefully I can find a trade and I'll be able to show you guys how to trade the market at an institutional fund level. So if you don't have the aptitude, the mental capacity, or the observational skill to figure out how the market works, it's best you find something else to do with your life. Because 95% of you guys are going to fail as far as trading is concerned. The whole market is tied to itself. So if you don't have the fortitude to be consistent and persistent so you become successful, don't trade the market. Because if you are not willing to make the sacrifice, if you are not willing to take the pain of paying the price, and the price here being psychologically and emotionally, 95% of you are not ready to pay that price because it is too torturous. So with that being said, it's a couple of minutes to 8 p.m. here in Dubai. Hopefully I get to find a trade and record it for you guys so you can see how the big boys leave the market with profits. I'm going to get back to you guys shortly. It's a couple of minutes after 3 p.m. here in Dubai, and I actually took a few scalps without you guys, my bad. But I'm gonna be trading the euro yen today, as you can see, and I'm gonna be using 3 standard lots. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go ahead and buy the market because we're currently in a buy trend as far as the euro yen is concerned, and boom, there we go. Second position, and I'm gonna go ahead and place my take profit on a certain price. I'm going to take this off right now so I can make sure I am placing my take profit at the right price. Wait for a second. Yeah, there we go. Boom. So yeah, modified the take profit for the other position and everything looks good. And as you can see, I am trading the euro yen, and there's really nothing special going on here. We're in a buy trend, and I'm just a regular trader sharing my trading experience with the world. And what I am looking at right now is dumb money are trying to stop the inevitable. Dumb money are trading the market the way they always trade the market, totally oblivious to the universal truth. And some of you guys rely so much on luck trading that you're willing to over leverage your entire account, following your instincts, following your guts. You can see the precision in all the trades I take. The market does not work like that. Everything I am doing right now has taken time, has taken persistence, and has taken a great level of observational skill to be able to play this out perfectly. You have to make sacrifices to get to the next level. Nothing comes easy. So if you want to learn how I trade and you want to get into live trades with me and members of the academy, you can visit the website or try to reach out to me via my email or my WhatsApp, which will be in the link in the description. And everyone sees the market in a different way. Some look at the market trading support and resistance. Some look at the market using indicators, a lot of indicators. Some look at the market trading with different styles, institutional methods, other blocks, divergence. There are different ways that different people trade the market. But what I am showing you right now, which might come across as very unorthodox, is the universal truth of the market, and this will help you make money for the rest of your life, because it is not only consistent, it works all the time. Boom, take profit hits. With that being said, I have left the market with profits. $120 in less than 4 minutes. And this is how to trade the market like the banks, the top 5%, the hedge funds, and insurance companies. Because if I can do it, anyone can do it. There's really nothing special going on here. I'm just sharing my trading experience with the world. And these videos are going to be here forever. So if you have the observational skill and intellectual capacity to figure this out, you can apply it to your everyday trading and make money consistently. So I intend to make this video very short. I left the market with $120, and with that I think I have made over 5% of the account already. Yeah, over 5% in a day. Clinton signing out from Dubai. Hope you enjoyed the trade, and have a nice one, guys.